Hey guys, and welcome to today's new video. I'm pretty pumped because as you can see right here, I have this huge box from Simplehuman, and this is actually something I purchased myself on QVC because, as you guys know, if you watch my videos, I have a really horrible makeup mirror, and I just thought it was time to kind of update it. And I actually saw this makeup mirror on QVC last year, and I thought to myself, hey, that's a pretty cool mirror. I kind of need one. The one that I have right now just doesn't magnify that great, and it doesn't have a light, and I don't know, it's just not cool at all. So I thought I would give this one a try. It looks super great, and the people on QVC, as you know, like, can sell you anything. So yeah, we're just gonna unbox it and we're gonna try it out, and I'm gonna go through pricing and all that, and I'll let you know what I think about it, my first impressions, and then I'll probably let you know in other videos what I like really think about it after I've been using it for some time. But I think this could be a great gift for the holidays if it all works out. So let's hop into this Simplehuman package. All right, it's gonna take some elbow grease here. So I don't stab myself during this process. Oh, make sure you like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell right down below, okay? Ta-da! All right, anything else I need in there? Nope. All right, so this is the box it comes in, and it's pretty large. As you can see, like, it doesn't even fit in the whole frame. The box is pretty nice, honestly. I got the rose gold finish. There's like rose gold, there's a pink one, there's a white one, there's a silver one. They have lots of options. So I'm just gonna read you like the back of this really quick. It has a sensor on off. So it like literally senses when your face is in front of the mirror, and it turns itself on and off. Touch control brightness, fast intuitive control over continuous range of brightness from 100 LUX to 800 LUX. Lux. I think those are like lumies or something. It's cordless and rechargeable, and I guess that's about it. That's what they say on this. Sensor mirror, 5 times magnification. This also has a bonus 10 times magnification mirror. So we're gonna pop in. Let's go. Yeah, they packed this good. It is a Carolyn proof box. So they have it wrapped in this cardboard. Not that exciting, but it's good for safety of your mirror for traveling. So hopefully it gets to you in one piece. A simple promise to create smart, functional tools. We start with intuitive design and solid engineering. Then we use the best materials and subject our products to rigorous testing. That's what makes a Simplehuman product and why our warranty is a real promise. Simplehuman. That's what it comes with. And oh, it has like a little cleaning thing in there. Oh, so this is the, I think the 10 times magnification mirror that like sticks on the front from what they were demonstrating on QVC. Ooh, is that like, does that peel off? It like, right, if you can see, I'm gonna hold it up. Do you see like in the bottom corner there, it looks like black or something? But I'm just gonna pick it up. Hopefully that's just the sticker on it. Okay, it's just a sticker on it. Ooh, I gotta actually put this on. I can't even see anything through this, but I'm sure when I have it mounted, I should be able to see something, hopefully. Oh, so this is what it looks like here, probably. And it has like this film over it that's dirty, so I'm gonna take that off. That looks so much better. And wow, it's like, whew, I can't even, hold on. Wow, that is like crazy. Like, it takes my eyes like a second to actually focus. And I'm gonna like plug, I guess I have to plug it in because it's not charged. Figuring it out. They give you a little charging thing here too. This is the little brick it comes with, and it has like a USB charging port thing. It looks like the Android phone chargers. So that's good to know. If you have an Android, I guess you have an extra charger. Or if you lose this one, you can use that. I have an iPhone, so that's whatever for me. But for you guys, anyone with an Android, that's great for you. I'm excited to try this. I've never ever like looked at myself in a mirror of this magnification. So we will see in a second if I like it. It is super nice. Honestly, look at that. You can see my LED light in the screen. Wait, hold on. Wait. There you go. That's my LED light, one of them. It's super nice, honestly. It's so nice and adjustable. Like here, I'm just using my finger. You can dim it and then make it bright and dim it and make it bright. And what I'm doing is just rubbing my finger along the back of this. It has like a little sensor back here, if you can see it. And that's what's changing the light, which is nice. And it's easy to get to while you're doing your makeup, to just brighten it and dim it. And you can see it on my face here. So this is at its dimmest, and now I'm going to take it to its brightest. You guys see the difference on my skin, which is really nice. It's nice for me to have for filming here because you guys can actually see my face lit up. And it's also nice just for every day because right now I pretty much have all my makeup in my bedroom because I've been doing so many beauty YouTube videos, and I've become so used to using the ring light that I have in front of me while doing my makeup because I can really see everything. And this will let me be able to do my makeup in the bathroom again. And also I think just on video would be nice. Also, another nice aspect of this mirror is this is adjustable. You can move this up and down and it really just helps, you know? So if I need to be a little taller, or if I'm sitting on a smaller chair, or if I'm trying to get a different angle, which is another thing, this head is rotating, so I can get any angle I need for anything, like if you got some nose hairs going on or something, you can see them here, you know? So yeah, this mirror is really nice. I like that it's adjustable like that. It's a rechargeable. Right now it's charging. It does not come charged. I like the fact that it's rechargeable and that it could be cordless, especially for me when I'm doing YouTube videos and stuff like that I don't have to have the wire as long as I charge it. But I don't actually like the fact that I have to charge it because I always I have on my phone, I have a selfie case and it has a rechargeable thing, but I never charge the case. So that's like a give and a take with that. I don't know why it's so complicated for me to remember to plug something back in. Like I always remember to plug my phone back in, but I don't know. I guess if I'm not using the appliance every day, it's hard for me to remember, but I will be using this every day, so I'm sure I will remember. This is really nice too because I can really, I don't think I've ever seen my skin this close up before. There are stray hairs that are going on right now that I did not even know I had going on. So that's very interesting to me, and I like that. And I like that I can see my pores. I feel like you can kind of, if you have something going on with your skin, whether it's acne or some sort of skin condition going on, you can kind of really see what's going on, diagnose yourself, and fix the problem. So I'm just going to stick this on. Not that I think I would ever need to get any closer than I am right now, but this is the 5x magnification, and it also comes with the 10x magnification. So I'm going to try it. And they say you just stick it on. I watched the whole infomercial on QVC. I got this from QVC. Ooh. So that is kind of, wow. Okay, so I'm trying to collect my thoughts on this one. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure I'm using this correctly. This is my thoughts on the 10x magnification on, so this little guy. It's a nice thing to have. It's great for if you're trying to pluck your hairs or really line your eyeliner line, but I do have to get really close to the mirror. If I look at it from this far away, it's completely not in focus, if that makes sense. I don't even think you could see that, and my fingerprints are on it, but I don't even think you can see that in the mirror, that this one, you can't see anything. It looks blurry unless my face literally gets this close to it. And then I can see things. And I just don't know that I love that, I don't know that I love having to be that close. And I think having a makeup brush this close could kind of be, let me try it, could kind of be a nuisance. See? If I was I guess if I go down, what if if I needed to do something like this, it'd be kind of annoying and not helpful. So I probably will definitely just mostly use the 5-time magnification. I think that's enough for me, except for maybe when I'm doing my eyebrows or plucking my lip hairs, you know? Then I think I could use that. Definitely for lip hair, definitely for eyebrows, but I don't see myself using this guy for makeup. But I do enjoy the 5-times magnification. I do enjoy the ring light effect of this. I love that you can make it brighter or make it dimmer. I think that's really, really nice. I also love the hardware. I love that it is rose gold and just, I don't know. I love that it's high tech and I don't need a cord for it. It's nice. And I love that it's adjustable as well, and adjustable here too, which you don't get with a lot of mirrors. So those are things I do really like about it, I have to say. So on Amazon, this is $249. And I believe that is what I paid for it. It was an expensive mirror. Would I say it was worth that price? I'd have to like use it a little bit more. If it lasts a long time and it, you know, doesn't die out and it, you know, it still looks beautiful and doesn't just kind of like rust or get weird, I definitely think it'd be worth the price because I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of it. If, you know, like in a month it breaks down and doesn't work, I will be very upset, to say the least, because that's a pretty penny for a mirror. It's just like the luxury of having a smart mirror that's so nice. Like I could do that all day. And being really able to see everything, I think as a beauty YouTuber, I think that's really nice. And I also think in your everyday life, it can be very useful as well. Just so you know that you can go out in public and just know that your makeup looks good and that everything matches your skin tone. Like you don't have to worry if your face matches your neck. You can literally see everything. Like I'm not even lying. Like you kind of like, it's almost like a blessing and a curse. I do really like this mirror. I think it would be a great gift for the holidays. So if you are looking for a holiday gift for somebody that enjoys makeup and doesn't have a mirror, or even if they have a mirror and you just don't think it's cutting it for them, or it's just like an ordinary mirror, I think this is a great upgrade for anybody. It's just super elegant and nice. I don't know. I just feel like anyone could use this mirror and it's nice. And the ring light effect is really, really great. I'm excited. I'm excited to actually have a mirror that is beautiful and trendy and fun. And I can't wait to make more makeup looks with this mirror and you guys. So yeah, once again, this is Simplehuman. I will put the Amazon link in the description below so you guys can pick it up if you'd like. Again, it comes with this 10-times magnification. It comes with the 5-times magnification. It's rechargeable. It has a brightness and a dimmer. It rotates. It, you know, it's retractable. I really like it. And I think that's all I can say about this mirror for now. I will definitely keep you updated as I do more videos and more looks with this mirror. And I think it's a hit, you know? So Simplehuman on Amazon. It's the 5-times and the 10-time magnification mirror. It is 8 inches and I love it. I do. I wasn't sure if I was gonna love it. When I first took it out, I was like a little skeptical, but I do. I like it. I think it is worth the purchase if you don't already have a great mirror, for sure. So anyway, guys, on that note, I hope this helped you out. If you're looking for a vanity or some sort of makeup mirror, or if you're looking for a great gift for a loved one for the holidays. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and you hit the notification bell. That tells YouTube to show other people these videos because they helped you out, and it helps me out because other people see my videos and that really just helps me out, you know? So yeah, please do that. And if you guys don't know, I am a singer and songwriter. I have a full-length album out on Apple Music, Spotify, iTunes, you name it, it's out there. You can also get a hard copy on my website at www.carolynmariemusic.com. And I have a brand new single out called Ghost, which is a collaboration between myself and DJ Fun Size. So if you haven't checked that out already, make sure you go do it. And I'm excited. There's so many new things that are happening. I know I haven't posted a video in like a week, which feels like a long time. I was just a little in over my head and overwhelmed with things that were going on in my life. And I just need to get that all straightened out, and it's about to all be straightened out. So I am back to filming. And when I personally don't feel happy or if I feel like anxious, I can't come on camera and talk because I just don't have, I don't know, I just want to be always positive and, you know, someone you guys want to listen to, and I don't think me being like a negative Nancy and being upset and anxious is something you guys will enjoy listening to. I could be wrong, but I don't know. I don't know. Listening to someone complain is annoying. So yeah, but anyway, everything is going great now. So make sure you like and subscribe and you hit the notification bell and check out my music, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.